Hey, days before I posted a poll on my Instagram broadcast channel that what should I make on my upcoming YouTube videos, and I gave them three options. First one is electronic, second one is robotic, and third one is AI. So most of them choose the electronics one. So here I am coming up with an electronics video on my YouTube channel. I hope you like it. So when I was struggling with my other works, I was keep searching for some inspiration to make this project. Okay, so one thing that caught my eye was the make it real of the Hacksmith industry on my YouTube channel. Okay, if you have seen that, so they make really awesome projects on different from Marvel Cinematic Universe like Captain America Shield, Iron Man laser helmet, the Wolverine claw. Okay, so I was thinking, as I'm also a fan of MCU and also a big fan of Wolverine and Iron Man, so I was thinking, why not I merge two different projects and make them one? Why not I merge the Wolverine claw with the Iron Man Hulkbuster? The Iron Man Hulkbuster, if you have seen in the movie, where the Iron Man keep punching the Hulk when he wears the Hulkbuster armor. Okay, so I've decided to merge that Hulkbuster with the Wolverine claw and make it a one project. So here I am trying to make it real. Okay, so I'm not that big channel like a Hacksmith Industry. They have lots of equipment, a great team. Okay, so I'm not that rich. I'm not a big channel like that. So yeah, this project is going to be a very cheap version of what they have made on their channel. But trust me, guys, somehow I try to combine those electronics and the hardware and make it a one project. And I hope you will like it. Okay, so hey guys, Sourav here. Welcome back to my channel called Electro, and also let's start the project. Whenever it comes to circuit design or PCB designers always prefer the Altium 365. Ready to take your PCB design to the next level? Introducing Altium 365, the cloud platform that revolutionized the way of engineers collaborate. No more emailing design files or versionizing issues. Altium 365 allows you and your team to work together seamlessly from anywhere in the world in real time. Shares your design with a single click. Clients, manufacturers, and stakeholders can review and comment on your work without needing complex software. Centralize your component libraries, POMs, and design data. With everything stored in the cloud, your team always has access to the latest version. Get your designs manufacturing ready with built-in DFM checks. Send your design data straight to your manufacturer, ensuring your PCBs are produced with precision. Your data is secure with Altium 365. Your designs are protected with enterprise-grade security and reliability. Want to be a job ready in electronic design? Then try Altium Student Lab for India. You get free access to Altium Designer and Altium 365 so you can collaborate with your mates and earn a certificate that's recognized by top industries in India. It's a great way to boost your skills and your resume. Just enter your university email to get started for free. Learn real skills that leads to real job with Altium Student Lab. Start design smarter, faster and more collaboratively. Experience the power of Altium 365 today. Visit the link to learn more and start your free trial. Please go and check out the link of Altium 365 and Altium 365 Student Lab for India given in the description. Thank you Altium 365 to sponsor this video. So let me explain the circuit diagram about this project. Okay. First of all, this is our timer relay module, and this is a 12 DC power booster module. Here we're gonna connect our battery to supply the whole circuit, and this is a trigger switch. Okay, this limit switch is a trigger switch. Okay, so let me tell you something more about this module first. So this is a timer relay module, and we're gonna use this module to control our whole project. Okay, here you can see there are four different terminals. First two terminals is to supply this module of 12 volt, and the second two terminals is to connect this trigger switch. So when we're gonna press this switch, this module will actuate. This display will show the timer countdown, and according to the time delay, our relay will actuate. Okay, and we're gonna connect this liner to this relay, so that according to relay, this sorry, according to the timer delay, the relay will actuate and it will help the solenoid to move. Okay, for this solenoid, I'm gonna use here 3 different solenoid I'm gonna use. So each solenoid are 24 volt, so that's why I am using a different set of supply to actuate the solenoid. Okay, here the output is 24 volt, and in this case the output is 12 volt. Okay, here you can see I have already gave the supply to the module and the display is working. Okay, here you can see the red line across the display. Okay, so where I'm gonna press this trigger switch, the relay will actuate according to the delay. Let me show you how. And if I can press it, it will stop. So now I have explained you everything about the circuit, okay, how it is work. Now let's assemble everything and complete our project. So I have decided to use this piece of foam as a guard for my hand because it will reduce the vibration, it will reduce the movement of that solenoid valve that are gonna actuate very fast, right? So yeah. I mean, how unlucky I could be when I was fixing my solenoid to the board. Literally, this happened. If my glue gun just blew because of the overheat, of course. And that's, ladies and gentlemen, what we call a money shot. Now I have to attach everything with a double-sided tape. So guys, our project is ready. Okay, and I'm literally wearing it. So I have already made the supply on. Okay, as you can see, the timer relay module is on. It shows the timer. Okay, and I already connected the batteries. Okay, so now I'm gonna test it, see how it will work or not. I have not tested it yet, so let me show you first. I'm gonna trigger it. Bro, it's so sick. So it's working really good. Okay, so now let's give it a test, see it will cut something or not. Okay, so to test it out, we have our friend Steve. Okay, so Steve is a very good friend of mine and he's gonna help us today to test our device or our project. Okay, so Steve, for today you are the test subject. Okay, behave like one. So let's test it out. Okay.
2 hours later.
So I figured out something. Okay, the problem is it's not cutting that Steve, our friend over here, right? Is not cutting it because the problem is the spring. You can see those spring coming from these solenoids. Okay, so when I'm pressing it against any kind of object, so what the problem is, it keep pushing it backwards. So that's the reason it could not cut the any object. Okay, so it is not applicable for cutting any object, but it can harm people. I don't know. I've never tried it. तो गैस आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही। आई होप कि आपको आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। इस वीडियो के इस प्रोजेक्ट के थ्रू आपको काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें सीखने को भी मिला होगा। और इसमें जो टाइमर मॉड्यूल यूज़ हुआ है गैस, ये काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग सा मॉड्यूल है। अगर इसके बारे में भी आपको कुछ डिटेल में जानना है तो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हो। मैं इसके ऊपर एक कंप्लीट ट्यूटोरियल बनाऊँ, क्योंकि इसके जो फंक्शंस है काफ़ी बढ़िया है गैस। और उसके साथ साथ गैस, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक दिस वीडियो। इससे हमको काफ़ी हेल्प होता है। डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल गैस, and also don't forget to check out the Altium 365 guys. The link is in the description. तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। Peace.